This Wallace Real Estate property video is presented by Don Walsh. There's still time to customize this new home. The main level of this open concept design includes 3 bedrooms, a dining room, great room, kitchen, laundry room, and a screened porch, plus an open deck, both with durable composite decking. Downstairs, you'll find a spacious second living room or rec room, a 4th bedroom, a full bathroom, and over 700 square feet of unfinished storage space. This home is packed with high-quality features, including quartz countertops, painted shaker cabinets, stainless appliances with a 36-inch gas range, tiled backsplash, tiled showers, and bathroom floors. Enjoy custom touches like a tray ceiling, custom shelving, luxury vinyl plank flooring, a cozy gas fireplace, front eave lighting, and wiring for an EV charger and generator transfer switch. The backyard levels out, borders common space, and offers privacy, a perfect setting for relaxation and outdoor fun. Eminent Construction is a Tellico Village preferred builder. Come see why. Buyer to verify all. Taxes shown are for property only and will update upon completion. For more information